Hello, sir. Okay. Sir, since balik ka tayong sa lactive season naman tayo sa April, would you kindly enumerate to us yung force disposition natin gagamitin sa dalawang exercises? Or sa lactive and volume?
Most of the this is a very large scale exercise. So we have two brigades from the 2nd Infantry Division and the 5th Infantry Division that will be isama doon sa ating exercise with the Philippine Navy and the Philippine Army. No? So around together with USARPAC and the Japan, no? And from the Australian Army Forces troops. So more or less, nasa 4,000 to 5,000 troops will be involved in this Balikatan exercise.
Sir, ano yung ano, if you are allowed to, what will be our highlights, the Army side?
Sa Army, we have to, there are I think 8 iterations there. But Army will be involved in 2 major trainings. Doon sa lactive, saan natin sa Balikatan. And this will be in the north, no? 7th IT area and in 5th IT. These are more on ground operations. Yun ang pinaka-generic mo.
Walang live fire, sir?
There will be live fire on the part of our counterparts on MLRS, and the purpose of this is also to train our personnel on using these capabilities, because later on, the Army will also be acquiring these capabilities.
Sir, last. Sir, may updates na tayo dun sa Sabratang acquisition natin.
Right now, isa pa lang na-develop, but this is still for further improvement, no? Because Sabra yung tangke.
Sa Israel, sir. Sa Elbit.
Sabra, oh.
Kung na-deliver na mo lahat.
Hindi pa lahat. For the moment, we have 9 units of Sabra tank, no? And we are still waiting for the 18 more units.
So, ano to, sir, integrated to sa first tank battalion natin, itong na-deliver?
With the Armor Division.
Armor Division.
Opo.
Kanong timetable, sir, kung sakasakali, yung 18 remaining?
We're still waiting, no? Kasi this is a big item na ano natin. Ongoing pa rin yung negotiation. And we hope within this year, siguro magtatapos yung delivery.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.